Welcome back. Back again. Yes, I'm back. Hello, friends. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hello. How are y'all doing? Fine, I hope, and I am keeping up on top of my videos. Do y'all see the consistency I'm giving you? Like, do you get it? Do you get it? I hope y'all had a good day. I did. I went to the library. I returned some books. I'm going to show you the books I just got. And then I'm going to share my Amazon package with you. I don't understand why Amazon want to split up my packages, but that's a whole nother story for a whole nother day. Let's get into what I'm reading this week. So I am reading this book. If you don't know, yes, I like to read. And then I have this book. Then I got this book. And then I picked out this one. And this one. Then I picked up this book. And then I picked up this book. So I like to read a lot of urban books, fictional, but I like to read. That's the whole moral of the story. We read in this house. Some weekends, some days, some nights, we must read a book. Priceless. Now to my Amazon package. They sent everything random. I'm just going to show you, and we're going to go from there. Because this is part one. So they sent my teddy bear slippers. Yay. And then I ordered this. When you a content creator, you know. If you not, you don't know. But I got one. Then I picked up these face masks. So, yeah, we got a video coming. And they are not all the same. They are different sheet masks. They do different things for your skin. It was $6.95 on Amazon. Invest in it. If you can't get to them, you become them. So I decided to get these. And the other two are on their way. I will let you know after using it for a week. But these are the first two that came. As soon as I get the rest of them, whichever one I use first, I will let you know. But I will let y'all know they smell absolutely good. And I have this. Now that you see this, you know that I have ran out of wax beads. And I'm in lazy girl mode routine because I ain't really want to order none or find none. So we gonna try this. So when y'all see the video, y'all will know it's a lazy routine. And that is all for this video. And until later on, I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed, not stressed. Diva Tova, Dalton Chin.